Hi! In front of me is Nokia G21 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Nokia smartphone. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing an iOS launcher. Following that, just install this free app from this developer and tap on Open. Now you need to select while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. And when you're ready, just home button. Then click on iOS launcher here. Tap on Always, select Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my smartphone. But you can always just switch between your layouts by going into Settings, selecting Apps and Notifications, then Advanced and Default Apps. Now click on Home app. If you wish to go back into your default app, tap on Quick Steps. If you wish to go back to iOS, just tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!